all love our strength yoga practice. But what about that wrist pain which we get after that? Hello everyone, welcome to Balance by Hina. Today I'm going to talk about how to strengthen your wrist. I will be taking you through my wrist mobility sequence which I practice before my arm balances or strength yoga days. I'm sure it's gonna help you as well, so let's get started. Let's start with the first one, hands in front, thumb inside and fingers curled around. Make a fist and start with your wrist circles. About 10 to 15 times one side. Make sure only the wrist is rotating and not your shoulders. Let's reverse the side. Keep your arms as straight as possible because you want to feel that stretch in your forearm as well. Good, and slowly relax. Moving on to the second one, again take your fingers, interlock them, and then we are going to draw figure eight. Try to keep your palms together and we are going to do this about 10 to 15 times. And then slowly release. Now from here, take your hands next to the face. Now curl in your fingers and then slowly open as if you are squeezing a ball between your hands and then opening. We are going to go as fast as possible for the next 1 minute. This is an excellent exercise to strengthen your wrist. After few repetitions, you will realize that your forearm is on fire. This movement activates the muscle in the forearm. The forearm is going to support your wrist in all your handstands, arm balances, chaturangas or anything related to that. So keep going guys, I know it's hard, but let's not give up. Last 10 seconds. Let's go as fast as possible. Excellent, and slowly relax. Now come on to your force, hands right below the shoulders and knees right below the hip. Now if you're feeling some kind of strain already in the wrist, keep your hands slightly ahead of the shoulders. Otherwise, you keep it right below the shoulders. Now from here we're going to start with our wrist circles. Keep the wrist in the center and then draw circles around it. 5 times on one side and then change direction. Very good. Relax a bit and now we are moving into our wrist stretch sequence. Come back onto our force, sit back on the heels and try to take your shoulders slightly ahead of the wrist. Make sure you're gripping the mat as you do this move. Just last one. Good. Now change the hand direction, fingers are facing outward and you're going side to side. Just about 5 to 6 times each side. Now slowly move the fingers facing the body and then sit back onto your heels and then go forward. Make sure you're not loading too much and your fingers are still pressing or gripping into the mat as you go back. Last 3, 2 and 1 last. Good job. Moving on to the last one, yet very important exercise. You're going to face the palms towards you and you want to think about doing a push-up. Now if you see, my shoulders are not on top of my hand, they are slightly back, so I'm not loading it too much, but I'm pressing the back side of the fingers into the ground. Just last 2 and last 1. Perfect. So the last one is a myofascial release technique for your forearms. Stand, take your hands in between the legs and then sit on the forearm part. This is an excellent way to release any kind of tension near the wrist or in forearms. You can do this before, after, or even in between the class. Excellent job, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Guys, if you have not subscribed the channel, please do so, and I hope you're feeling much better in your wrist, and I'll see you next time. Till then, bye bye.